Good day guys, welcome to another episode of Motorrad Mania. I've got good news. My Mosko Moto shipment has arrived and I ordered the Reckless 80 Revolver system for my new adventure bike. And yeah, as you can see, I'm proud owner now of a KTM as well, and this system is gonna fit onto my KTM 890 Adventure R. So the shipment was a little bit delayed. They had bad weather in America and they couldn't ship it right away. So I waited about 2 weeks. They shipped with DHL, but at the end of the day all the stuff has arrived. And yeah, there you can see there's the box. I'm quickly gonna unpack it so that we can have a look, see what's there. Okay guys, so let's get started. Let's open it up. I think this is one of the bags that attached at the back of a Reckless 80. Yeah, I'm gonna put fuel in or whatever I want to take extra. I think this is a 4-liter container. This is a Mania storage pouch large. I'm not sure what that is. 10-pull pocket, so this is for your 10 pulls. Auxiliary pocket, external pocket, 4-liter. Okay, so that goes with the 4-liter one. Yeah, this is all extra. External pocket driver, 4-liter. Okay, let's have a look. This is a 20-liter dry sack. This you can use for all your dirty laundry, stuff like that. Let's have a look at this. External pocket, 4-liter. Let me just quickly have a look here. 4-liter. Okay, so that is it. What is this one? There's some bolts and nuts and stuff. Storage pouch more. Let's have a look what this is. That's a 10-pull bag. That's a big system. This is one of the sides, the right hand side. Yeah guys, this is, you can soon see this is quality stuff, very well made. That one over there. I've never seen this in South Africa, so I don't think I'll be the first one in South Africa, but yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to get this onto my bike. .22-liter. This is the one that comes underneath it, lever tail. Yeah. This is the one side bag, the dry bag with a open window so that you can see whatever you've got. And this is the other one. So there's 2 of them. Durable, you can see fuel. Very nice. Okay, this is just instructions on how to install it onto the motorbike. Hey guys, look at this. Some stickers gonna be put onto my KTM. This is very nice, I must say. This is a nice surprise. Okay, they even give you a little letter if you're not happy, when you must say why and why you're returning it. I don't think this will be necessary. Thanks for order and welcome to Mosko crew. For video instructions, okay, it's just instructions and stuff. Tough gear, hard travel. In a neat little envelope. Quite a nice touch. Okay, let's get this back in here. Okay, I'll have to see what this is. Sticks, sack form. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what to use this for, but I'll have to see on the instructions. Here's all the bolts and stuff. Oh yeah, and last but not least, Mosko Moto heat shield for your exhaust pipe. And let me get this box out of the way. I say, I can have the seat here. Okay guys, it is a summer day here in South Africa, so it is really hot. So I'm not going to spend too much time out here. I'm just going to unpack everything and yeah, then I can start assembling it. Just look at the size of this bag. I will be able to fit a lot of stuff into this. Well, I hope so. Until I start packing it. And you see that you don't have enough space. Yeah. First time this equipment gets exposed to the African heat. So, coming from America, I don't think it's that hot over there. Well, I don't know, I've never been there. I'm a South African born and raised, and never left the country. Well, I've left the country, but not to go to a different continent. Mooi kyk hoe werk hierdie goeds. Everything is just beautiful. Wat is my liefling jong, hè? Is je potje belletjie? Oh, je potje. Oh, is je oulike ding. This is my little dog, Tossel, and he's part of the family. I don't think he'll stay too long because it's really hot there. See, is je potje bel. Wat een belletjie. Oeh, je potje bel. Oeh, yes. Oeh. Dis Yorkies. Yorkshire Terrier. Hy sê pas 'n billetjie. Dis pas 'n oulike seun, hoor. Yo, guys. You can't believe how much heat these bags have taken already. So that over there. It's also got a little window so that you can see whatever you've packed. Yeah, there's the beaver tail. Let's just quickly have a look. This guy's buckles, everything on this is just top class. I'm so glad that in the beginning I said I'm going to go for soft luggage, and